Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I've got the truck loaded down with boxes. Now I know I'm going to get a lot of comments that these would be good for the raised beds, but I've already got quite a few of them put back for the raised beds. And I don't want to just start stacking cardboard on top of cardboard and then it get wet and get all messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and take it down to the dumpster. They're picking up the dumpster tomorrow. So it's a good time to fill it completely up. I don't even know if all this is going to fit in there. I'm going to break it down the best that I can. And then we're going to get back and we're going to start organizing that and emptying out that. Let's get after it. All right, let's see how much of this we can fit. As you can see, there's already a lot of trash. We're going to get as much in there as we can. We'll break it down real good. Get a good base down, then we'll get in there and stomp on it some and try to bring this down. All right, I was able to get the bulk of the big stuff in there. And I still got a couple of small boxes and a little bit of styrofoam. Once they empty it tomorrow, I'll break those down and put those in there, and that'll be the start for this week's trash. Having this dumpster here on Come On Mountain's been a game changer. It's definitely kept me from having to burn stuff and all of that. So not too bad. All right, let's get back and get some organization done. Right, now that we made it back to the mountain, we're going to start with all of this stuff right here in the front, find homes for it, and then we'll continue on over to the goat catastrophe. Let me get you guys set up on a time lapse and we'll start going through this. Well, we made some good progress. We got all of this cleaned up. Got a couple straps there and some hedge trimmers. Bunch of trash right here. Started making some leeway. It is nowhere near completely organized or anything, and a lot of this might change homes before it's all said and done. But I need to get it out from in front of the door so I can start bringing bins and other stuff from the goat catastrophe instead of just setting stuff on the shelves. It's also going to be real nice to be able to lock this thing up and keep the goats out of here. And of course, Coco done escaped again. But it's getting late, guys. I need to get the animals fed. I will bring y'all back tomorrow whenever we start attacking the goat catastrophe. Come on. Good morning. Well, change of plans, guys. As I say here on the mountain, it's a game plan, not a set plan. Big Mike called me from MT Homestead yesterday, and as y'all know, on the last video I showed you all those windows that I got, and they're loaded up on his trailer. I dropped my trailer off over there in Oklahoma, and he is loading it full of telephone poles. Well, he decided to bring it to Come On Mountain today. So I got to get his trailer unloaded of windows and also get the grapple on to be able to unload the telephone poles when they get here. And old Mike over there with Drifting Dreamers, what's up, needs a little bit of grapple uber work as well. They want to move one of those burn piles down there on the landing to be able to burn it, because Lissa wants her gardening area because spring has sprung. All right, we're gonna air up the tire on Uber. It's a little bit low in the front right there. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the forks put on, get this trailer unloaded, and then get the grapple put on. We still gotta put the hose on the grapple that I got fixed the other day, and the grapple should be good to go. We still don't have the quick connect fixed. Yeah, that's part of us doing this patio well shed, is getting a little welding section set up so we can cut that front quick connect and get the spring out of it, so it doesn't take two of us to change out attachments, because it is no longer a quick connect. It's a quick pain in the booyah.
Caught behind the Venetian blinds, trying to reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Ain't look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for sunset, digging deep since 9. What I thought was gone, sitting in my pocket, in plain sight, all alone. I figure it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling the stitches. Time to let go. Come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. My
Oh, oh, back up just a half an inch. Tilt them up here. Right there. Come on. There we go.
Oh, what are you doing? Now you want to come over now that the work's done? I don't understand. I'm talking to you. Hey, what are you doing?
Need to go more this way. Yep, right there. I appreciate it. That's fine, man. I just want to get this. Didn't work at all when I left a couple months.
All right, guys, we got the hoses hooked back up. I went ahead and oiled while Mike was putting on the hydraulic hose. I added a little bit of oil to these pins right here because they was kicking Mike's booty.
Man, yeah, I couldn't even pull it.
It's also kicking my booty. Come on. All right, guys, we bent this cover plate up quite a bit, and I'm going to try to straighten that out as much as I can before I put it back on. Now seems to be the best time as ever to do it. So good luck with that, I'm thinking. My buddy Troy would be impressed with my hammering skills over here. He's my forger over there at Bar Run Forge. Go check him out. All right, so that's a lot straighter than it was.
Hold it, hold it. Hold it, that's why I'm not in rhythm. Alright. Alright, we found a leak right here. He was able to turn that one full rotation, got it back on, and see if we started leaking.
You can kind of see it's a little cross-threaded right here. I think that's better than it was. It's a tractor, you're gonna have that. We'll go ahead and bend this down. Try to form this a little bit. That's better than what it was. At least protect that fitting right there. All right, guys, just got off the phone with Big Mike. He's heading down Come On Mountain Road right now. I can hear the trailer. He's driving that thing too. I'm trying to beat him before he turns in here. I want him to back into the boneyard. Yeah, we're gonna back it in there. Came loose. Well, Big Mike has made it to the mountain, guys.
Hey!
They've been waiting on you all day. These guys been waiting.
Oh, have they?
You can just pull in my yard and then we'll back up. Yeah, just pull in and then back up to your trailer. I'll move my truck if I need to. Coco, get out the way.
I'll lead, go.
All right, Big Mike also brought a couple more barrels for Gary. Those unloaded. All right, guys, it's been a couple of days. We have had some bad weather here on Come On Mountain. It is still very, very gloomy and wet out here. Mike made it home safely, but check out these guys. These are some massive telephone poles, 16 foot, in real good condition. I got 10 of them. And what these are going to be for, guys, is going to be for a pole barn for Uber and Lyft and the attachments and stuff, and maybe even the boat. I should be able to put 5 on each side. I'm probably going to space them out probably about 20 foot apart, 15, 20 foot apart, something like that. Make a real long, tight pole barn, and then rather build some trusses or order some trusses for it. Put a metal roof on there and have a place to keep the tractors and the attachments and stuff like that out of the weather. It's been about 2 years. I need to get that done. There's going to be a lot of buildings pop up here on Come On Mountain this spring and summer, including the one that I've had over here up underneath the tarp since last summer. We're going to get that put up in place too. I don't know where the pole barn's going to go exactly yet. I'm still kind of thinking about it, but definitely going to figure it up. I know that the 20 by 20 that we took down is going to go right here, and that's going to be for the sawmill area, because the whole sawmill area is going to move here. I do plan on fixing Simple Life Reclaim and Country Road Cures sawmill, and then getting it back to them. And I do plan on bringing in a new sawmill this year, something a little bit bigger, so where I can do a little bit more production as far as cutting and stuff. I would like to get this one up and the sawmill here before I do the pole barn, then I can mill the wood for the pole barn. So we'll see if that works out or not, because sawmills ain't cheap. Sawmills ain't cheap, and I also want to do a concrete pad for this 20 by 20, and concrete ain't cheap either. But I think that's going to be about it for this one, guys. Thank y'all for joining along. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We always got something going on here on Come On Mountain. Love every single one of y'all, and until we see each other again, come on, let's go on another adventure.